nice to see the pandas really relaxed and doing what pandas do. And to be here and experiencing that is a real thrill and pleasure, because of course we've heard so much about the pandas, and this is really the highlight of our visit to Sichuan. We will share the joy of this with everybody. The ecosystem and saving it, and also taking care of endangered species. So, I would very much appreciate and of course endorse every move that's made to secure the livelihood of the pandas and to secure their future. So I think it's a wonderful thing that China's doing. Environmental integration of all of us as human beings and nature is just so important to us and to our future.
Very good life. The place is very beautiful, very quiet. Good job for protecting the pond.